Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required to download anything basically, and then we can enter the Play Store. And if you do not have your Google account currently added to the device, you will have to do it right now, so you'll have to log in. If you do not have the account, you can add it, you can create it right now and then log in and tap on this circle, which is your account. Then let's tap on my apps and device and tap on manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied and installed apps. And here we have to tap on updates available to check which ones we can update. So basically, if you want, you can mark all of them. If not, you can simply pick some apps. So I will pick maybe Google Chrome and maybe Google Photos, and then simply tap on update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will download the updates, and after that it will immediately and automatically update the apps. So basically you do not really have to do anything more. You can simply close the Play Store and your device will do it in the background, so just wait patiently. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.